In this tutorial, I will show you how to make images glow in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, click Create a Design or open an existing project. Next, upload the image you want to edit or choose a photo from Canva's library and place it on your canvas. Click on the image to select it. After selecting the image, click Edit Photo in the top toolbar. In the editing panel, scroll down and find the Shadows section. Inside this section, click the Glow option. Once the glow effect is applied, you will see several settings you can adjust. Increase the size to make the glow spread around the image. Reduce the blur if you want the glow to appear sharper. Increase the intensity to make the glow brighter and more noticeable. You can also change the glow color to match your design style. After adjusting the settings, your image will have a glowing effect that helps it stand out. That is how you make images glow in Canva.